This one is the iced tea sangria. Dude, we've done so many sangrias. Go to tipsybartender.com and just type in sangria. Watch how many recipes come up. We got a sangria for every occasion. So that's peach slices, mango chunks, okay? Come behind up with strawberry slices, all right? Then hit it with some honey syrup. So this is not like a Long Island iced tea. If you think an iced tea sangria, this is a real tea sangria. We come behind up with some white wine, okay? And then we top it with iced tea, okay? So it's not like a Long Island iced tea. This is a true tea sangria. Beautiful. Put that bad boy in. I know you won't give this a try, because I mean, with Tipsy Bartender, if you go check out our website and look at some of the recipes, you have a sangria for like every single occasion. Like you could literally have a party every weekend for the entire year and have a different sangria every weekend, and not even using red wine, you know what I mean? Like using stuff that you don't typically find in sangrias, okay? Delicious, okay? And hey, and you're getting your fruits and vegetables in, okay? I'm not a vegetable guy, I'm more of a fruit guy. Whatever, right? So, stay tipsy, friends. And when I say stay tipsy, I don't mean all the time. I mean at your party, okay? And whatever, later.